Haseyo, Ellie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so our topic is all about, sa itong topic, Ellie? Adjective. Again?
Adjective.
Okay, so our activity is you're going to choose the adjective and underline. So you will answer number 1. So atong underline nan asa dira ang adjective. Kung maingon tag adjective, Ellie, is kanang gi-describe daw ang noun. Okay, describing words ang adjective. Okay, so as you can see there in number 1, please read.
Anna, ten, tel,
Tall.
tall,
Okay, asa man ang adjective, Ana Ellie, nga nag-describe daw siya sa noun. Okay, i-underline ang siri. No, dili man ang pen kay kuan man na ang pen. Noun man na ang pen. Adjective man ang atong gipangita. Kanang gi-describe daw ang noun. Dili si Anna kay noun man si Anna. So unsa may answer? Okay, underline. Very good. So unsay answer?
tall,
Tall. Okay ha? So mao ang adjective ha, nag-describe sa noun. So unsay answer nimo? Tanaway mong answer. Basaha.
tall.
Okay, very good. So mag-study about parts of speeches ha? Okay, very good. See you, Althea.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you are question number 2 for our activity with regards of unsay ato ang activity karon? Tanaw sa board. Unsay ato ang topic?
Adjective.
Adjective. Sige, unsay topic na to?
Adjective.
Okay, tanaw sa board, basahon. Sa number 2 ka ha. So basaha ang direction. Choose.
Choose.
Dili dira. Here. The direction. Choose. Adjective.
Adjective. And then
Underline.
underline.
Okay, so number 2 ka, basahon. Study.
Study.
Thin.
Then
Thin. Thin.
thin.
Next.
Uh,
Above.
above.
Okay, above.
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 Okay. Di ka kalitok og V? Okay. So, asa man dira ang adjective daw katong nag-describe sa noun. I-underline nimo. Same sa gibuhat ni Ali. Very good. So, i-underline. Unsay answer? Thin.
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 Oh, very good. So, mag-study about part of speeches ha. So, ang adjective is part of speeches. Very good. Annyeonghaseyo, Eliza.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you are for number 3. So, basahon nimo ang direction dai, instruction.
Choose the adjective and underline.
Okay, number 3.
This, that, red.
Okay, so unsa may adjective ana niya? Nag-describe daw siya sa noun. So, you're going to underline. I-underline ang answer. Dili, wrong. Erase. Kanang gi-describe nimo ang usa ka tawo ba? Or gi-describe nimo ang usa ka butang. No, dili. That is, kuan man na siya. What do you call that one? Ang imong gipangita is nag-describe sa tao, nag-describe sa lugar, nag-describe sa things, unsa man. Okay, so ang answer is
Red.
okay, so mag-study ha. Kay lacking pa imong understanding with regards sa adjective. Okay, Sophia, annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you will answer for number 4. Tanawa sa board, Inday. Okay, number 4. So basaha ang direction. Here.
Choose the adjective and underline.
Okay, number 4. Basaha.
Beautiful. Hooray.
Hooray.
Hooray. Him.
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 Okay, so asa man ang adjective ana kanang nag-describe daw sa tao, nag-describe sa lugar, nag-describe sa mga butang. So i-underline katong nag-describe. Describing words daw siya. Very good. So i-underline. So unsay answer?
Beautiful.
Very good. So more on studying sa adjective ha. Okay. 안녕하세요, Junmark.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you are going to answer number 5 and our activity for tonight is all about unsa gani? Unsa to ang topic?
Adjective.
Adjective. Okay, very good. So, please read the instruction
Choose the adjective in underline.
and underline. Underline. Repeat after me. Underline.
Underline.
Okay, so number 5. Basaha.
House, Mary, ugly.
Okay. So, asa man ang adjective, ana? Nga, ang adjective daw is nag-describe sa noun. Okay. So, asa man ang adjective ani niya. So, i-underline ang adjective. Okay. Very good. So, unsay adjective, ana, imong hangyan siran sa number 5?
Ugly.
Very good. 안녕하세요, Jillian May.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Jillian May, you're going to answer for number 6. So again, our topic is all about adjective. So, imong pilion asa man ang adjective ani nila. So please read.
Hello. Sweet book.
Okay, so asa man ang adjective ana imong i-underline. Okay, very good. 안녕하세요, Rina.
안녕하세요.
Okay, Rina. So, ikaw ang mag-answer sa number 7. If asa ang adjective ani. Okay, so imo i-underline ha. Basaha day. Handsome. Look. Prepare.
Prepare.
Okay. So, i-underline. Asa man ang answer, ana, day? Okay. So, unsay answer? Handsome. Very good. So, mo na siya yung mga adjective. So, for tonight, our topic is all about the types of sentences. So, last night, the Lato-Lato boys tackle all about the 8 parts of speech. Now, it is your turn, ladies, to discuss and report with regards of the types of sentences. So there are 4 types of sentences and each of you will explain each of that sentences. Okay, so you may start your reporting.
Types of sentences. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentences. This sentence relates to facts, thoughts, opinions, and end with a whole stop. Example: David loves traveling with friends. Example: Desiree loves to play with his friends. Number 2, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order, request, command, and suggestion.
Suggestion.
Example: go to the grocery shop. The imperative is sugo.
Okay, so it express order, request, command, or a sentence nga na ay mga sugo, no? Okay, very good. So, arita sa interrogative sentence.
Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. Example: na siya, namutana siya.
Okay, so that is interrogative sentence. So, you are interrogating, you are asking question. Okay, last is exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses some strong and unexpected and extreme or extra or
Extraordinary.
emotion. Explanation.
Example.
Example. Please talk to me now.
Okay, what happened to your voice? Are you nervous? Okay, girls. So next time, do not be nervous. It's okay. You will learn more with regards of reporting. Okay, so you will boost your confidence. Okay, so sa number 1, assertive or declarative sentence, girls. Pasabot ana as you're going to have a sentence nga nagbase sa tinuod, nagbase sa opinion. Nya, naay period sa last. So sa number 2 is imperative sentence. So, sentence nga naay sugo, naay order, naay command, request, or suggestion. So number 3 is what is that? Interrogative. Okay. So when we say interrogative sentence is nag-interrogate, asking questions. And last is exclamatory sentence, sudden emotion. Okay? Strong feelings. Then na exclamation point at the last. Okay? So familiarize rin ninyo boys. Nakasabot mo silang discussion. Okay, so girls, mag-study about reporting ha. Next time, mag-practice pa ta about reporting para ma-boost inyong confidence. Okay, so, fighting!
Fighting.
Shy kay mga girls. Anyway, good job for you.
Lain na oy. Moto siya.
Start.
Hala oy. Oh, nagdugo ko ni kon. Di mo ko. Galuod gani mo kasi.
Yaman nag-tikit na pag so tunawan nga 6 AM one kay Dudugan ba na yung sa baso?
Ayan yung daghan na.
Easy yung yata halos tanan. Nagala ka. Mura ka kung nakainom og
Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to present about interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the word around it and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. Interjections add meaning to a sentence or context by expressing a feeling, making a demand, or emphasizing a thought. Interjections can be either a single word or a phrase, and they can be used on their own as part of a sentence. Example, you, shoot, I've broken a nail. Hooray, we won the match. Hey, what are you doing today? Wow, you look so beautiful. Oops, that's my phone. Oh no, I left my book at home. Hey, look at that. Nice, I like that. That's good, at least you tried. Yeah, I agree. Oh gosh, it's really expensive. Shucks, it's too difficult. Well done, you have got the highest marks. That's all, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Today we will tackle about conjunction. So what is conjunction?
Conjunction, a word that connects words or sentences.
So conjunction is a word that connects word or sentences. Example, the flower is yellow and white. So asa man ang conjunction ara? Kaning and. Kay mao na siya ang nag-connect sa unsa man iyang gi-connect? Flower. To adjective. Ang adjective mo. Ang kuan na is yellow and white adjective. So, second example is the flower is yellow and it has a particular smell. Ang gi-connect sa ang word nga conjunction is and gyapon. Ang iyang gi-connect is duha ka sentence. Kaya pwede naman ito dukan diri so iyang gibutngan og and para ma-connect siya. So, types of conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction, alternating conjunction, a conjunction that connects two or more equal grammatical elements.
Coordinating conjunction is a conjunction that connects two or more equal grammatical elements. So, ang coordinating conjunction kay mao ni siya ang nag-connect sa two or more equal grammatical elements. Ang grammatical elements is a cover the internal structure, distributional properties, and semantic characteristics. Para itong kanang fanboys, na katong for, and, nor, but, yet, or, but, or, yet, so. So, mao na siya para dali siya matiman-an. Fanboys na lang niya. So, ang example sa coordinating conjunction is everyone sang and danced. Ang kuan po dahil ani sa coordinating conjunction is kanang part of speech kanang such as a verb to another verb. So, ang gi-connect niya dali is verb to another verb. Ang usa ka verb ana is sang, the verb man na o ang dance mo na iyang gi-connect. So, mao na